Embedding live Power BI reports in PowerPoint has been a thing for a long time. The new feature that just got added is the ability to annotate specific data points in PowerPoint. So for example, I have this dip in traffic with a little pointer to it explaining why it is lower than the rest of the data. This attaches itself to the particular data point in question, but I want to show you how to do this because it was not super obvious to me anyways. So step one here is to publish your report in Power BI. So it needs to be published to the service in order to embed it. Step two is make sure that you are logged in PowerPoint. And then what we do, I'm just going to add a new slide here, is go to add-ins in this top toolbar. It's in the home tab of the ribbon, and then search for Power BI. So there's two that look very similar. There's one that's called Power BI Tiles and one that's called Microsoft Power BI. And you can't see the full title because it's already been added. The one that you want is Microsoft Power BI, not Power BI Tiles. Power BI Tiles is a third-party one that costs money. So you want this one. When you add it, it prompts you to select the report that you want to embed. So if you've never used this before, you're going to have to paste a link to your report in here. So I'll go ahead and grab mine. So I'm just going to open up a report. So it does have to be a report, not a dashboard. And then I'm going to copy the link from the address bar up here. If it's got this extra bits on the end, that's fine. It'll still work. And I'm going to paste it in here. So I can choose to give people automatic access to this data if I want to, but I don't want to. I want to use my report permissions. And we're going to insert it. So this is where things get a little bit confusing. You're brought immediately to an embed of your entire report page right now. You can't add annotations here. It only works for a single visual embed. Let me show you what I mean. First, you have to select your title. So this is going to be pulled from your report title and you click on add title. So what you're looking for is in the right click menu for a data point, there should be an option to annotate. And I don't see it here because I've embedded the entire report. It didn't ask me if I wanted to embed a single visual, and there's no option to switch as far as I can tell inside these menus down here. So the trick is, and I'm re-recording this part because Sam Phillips pointed out a much better way than I was using to illustrate how to do this. You need to copy the link to the specific visual from Power BI. And this is something that I have never done in the past because I've never had a reason to. But apparently when you're in reading view in the Power BI service, you can go to this ellipses menu here and go to share and copy a link to this visual. When you do that, you can paste that back into the PowerPoint, make a new slide, add-ins, and then paste it in here. And I want to point out while I'm here that the prior technique I was using was to select your report from this recommended section. If you select it from recommended, it'll prompt you to choose a specific visual. But if you've never connected to it before, it won't show up here. So we're just going to do that. And then you can check this box to give people automatic access to the data if you want to. I don't want to. And then insert. Choose your title. And then we can annotate. So right click a data point to annotate, and you can change the font size here if you want to, but I haven't found any way to change the background color of the box. So if anybody figures out a way to do that, let me know. I'm assuming that they're going to refine this experience over time. You can add multiple annotations if you want to. So I can do another one. So this works on your core visuals. I tried it on a table. It didn't work on the table. I'm assuming it doesn't work in the matrix either, but things like your bar chart and your line chart, it'll work fine on. And that's everything I have for you today. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.